You can easily install your BLACK+DECKER portable washing machine in a series of steps. First, remove all packaging material, ensuring there's no remaining styrofoam at the bottom of the washer near the motor. You'll want to install your washer on a hard floor surface in an operable space where room temperature does not fall below freezing and safe from outdoor weather conditions. The washer must also be located within 4 feet of a drain facility. Install the bottom cover by sliding it into the correct slots with the screws provided. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Temporary installation to a single sink faucet. Make sure you remove the aerator from your sink's faucet. If the quick connect does not fit your faucet, you will need to buy an adapter. You can buy faucet adapters online or at a nearby hardware store. If the faucet has external threads, do not use the rubber gasket. If the faucet has internal threads, make sure the rubber gasket is used. Separate the quick connect. Then connect the bottom to the inlet and the upper faucet fitting to the faucet. Attach one end of the hose to the quick connect. Attach the other end of your hose to the blue cold water inlet on the washing machine. Secure the drain hose over a wash basin, laundry tub, or tie strap, and refer to the user manual for further instructions. Adjust your machine as needed with 2 adjustable leveling legs. Ensure that the connectors are tightly fit. Then plug in the power cord and turn on the washer. Remember, temporary installation is for cold water only. See? Installation is easy and only takes a few minutes.